Welcome to my shop again. This is a series of short little videos of tool reviews. These are designed to go on my website so that people can see the tools and see how they're set up and different information about the tools. But I thought I'd share them with you and just for your general interest. Just a quick little exposure or review of this particular tool. Okay, John Jordan and I use the same 3/16 cutter, and I usually use the carbide, but the 3/16 cutter comes with the basic package. And we usually can just sharpen it by hand, but John's got a jig here that I sell on my website too if you want to use a jig. First thing we have to do is get it set up in the end so it's a 1/2 inch away from the end. So I've got a block here that's a 1/2 inch up, so we're going to slide that up there and tighten her down. It makes a repeatable distance, and let's go sharpen it. To set this up, to set it up now, the first thing I did is I drilled a little 1/8 of an inch hole in the Wolverine bracket, the shaft. I set this up first. The bracket is in position for my bowl gouge because my bowl gouge is the thing that I use the most, and that gives me a repeatable place to set the bracket. Once the bracket's in place for my bowl gouge, then I drill that little drill hole in here. It's an 1/8 of an inch drill hole that gives me a pivot point for the tip of the jig. This gets me a repeatable angle on my cutter. Now with that hole in the right position, the tip angle is correct, and all I do is just use it just like I would a regular bowl gouge jig. Okay. And this saves the tool life because you're just dressing the bevel lightly, and you don't have to take a lot of metal away, and you get a brand new burr and a sharp edge real quick.